What if I told you that doing push-ups every day could completely transform your upper body strength, build lean muscle, and boost your endurance? But here's the real question: how many push-ups should you actually do daily? Should you aim for 10, 50, or even 500? Does doing more push-ups guarantee better results, or is there a point where it becomes too much and starts hurting your progress? In this video, we're diving deep into the science of push-ups, how they affect your muscles, the ideal number for beginners, intermediate, and advanced fitness levels, and the best way to maximize results. Stay with us till the end, because by the time you finish this video, you'll have a complete push-up roadmap tailored to your goals. And before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fitness content. Why push-ups are so powerful? Push-ups are one of the best bodyweight exercises you can do. They require no equipment, can be done anywhere, and work multiple muscle groups at the same time. When you lower your body down and push back up, you're engaging your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Over time, this simple movement builds serious strength and endurance. But here's the thing: if you're not doing the right number of push-ups per day for your specific fitness level, you might not be getting the best results. In fact, too many push-ups with bad form or without proper recovery could even slow down your progress. So, let's break it down and find out exactly how many push-ups you should do daily, based on your experience level and goals. For beginners, start slow, build strength. If you're new to push-ups or haven't been working out consistently, you don't need to do hundreds of reps to see progress. The key for beginners is building a strong foundation and avoiding injury. Recommended daily push-ups. Start with 10 to 20 push-ups per day. Focus on perfecting your form, keep your core tight, back straight, and lower yourself in a slow, controlled motion. Gradually increase by 5 push-ups every week to build endurance and strength. How to progress? Break your push-ups into sets. For example, if your goal is 20 push-ups, do 2 sets of 10 reps instead of doing all 20 at once. As you get stronger, challenge yourself with knee push-ups, incline push-ups, or slow push-ups to increase muscle activation. Beginners should avoid overtraining. Doing push-ups every single day without rest can lead to fatigue or even strain your muscles. Taking at least 1 or 2 rest days per week will help your muscles recover and grow stronger. For intermediate level, build endurance and strength. Once you can do 30 to 50 push-ups in one go, you're at an intermediate level. At this stage, your muscles have adapted to the basic push-up movement, and now it's time to challenge them even further. Recommended daily push-ups. Aim for 50 to 100 push-ups per day, divided into multiple sets. Break it into 4 sets of 25 reps or 5 sets of 20 reps to prevent fatigue and maintain good form. Experiment with different push-up variations to target muscles differently. Try diamond push-ups for your triceps, wide grip push-ups for your chest, and explosive push-ups for power. How to progress? To avoid hitting a plateau, increase your reps gradually. Challenge your body with time-based push-ups. Try doing as many push-ups as possible in 60 seconds to improve endurance. Add weighted push-ups by wearing a backpack with books or weights to increase resistance. Intermediate level trainees should train 4 to 5 times a week, giving their muscles proper recovery time. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. For advanced level, push your limits. If you're already capable of doing 100 plus push-ups in a single set, your muscles have built endurance, and now it's time to focus on power, strength, and hypertrophy, muscle growth. Recommended daily push-ups. 100 to 200 push-ups per day for endurance and muscle definition. For strength and hypertrophy, do 5 to 6 sets of 30 to 50 push-ups with added resistance. Use weighted vests or resistance bands to increase difficulty. How to progress? Instead of just increasing reps, focus on explosive power with plyometric push-ups, clap push-ups, or Superman push-ups. Incorporate decline push-ups or one-arm push-ups for an extra challenge. Consider progressive overload. Just like weightlifting, muscles grow when challenged with increasing difficulty. Advanced trainees should listen to their body. Doing high reps every single day may lead to overuse injuries. Train 5 days a week and allow for muscle recovery. How many push-ups should you do for maximum muscle growth? If your goal is purely muscle growth, it's not just about how many push-ups you do, it's about how you do them. To build muscle effectively, follow these key principles. Time under tension, slow down each rep, especially during the lowering phase, to keep muscles under tension longer. Variation is key. Mixing different push-up styles ensures all muscle fibers are engaged. Recovery matters. Muscles grow during rest, not just during exercise. Taking at least one rest day per week is essential. Final verdict: what's the right number for you? The perfect number of push-ups per day depends on your current strength level and fitness goals. Beginners, start with 10 to 20 push-ups per day, focusing on form. Intermediate, work up to 50 to 100 push-ups per day, using different variations. Advanced, challenge yourself with 100 to 200 push-ups per day and weighted variations. Push-ups are a fantastic way to build upper body strength, improve endurance, and stay fit without needing any equipment. But the key to seeing real results isn't just about high numbers, it's about consistency, proper technique, and smart progression. Now, it's time for you to take action. How many push-ups can you do right now? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert fitness content. Keep pushing forward, and we'll see you in the next video.